In this video, you'll learn how to refund a course from Udemy. By following these steps, you will be able to initiate a refund request for any course you have purchased on the platform. Begin by logging into your Udemy account. To do this, navigate to the Udemy website and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Purchase History. This will take you to a page displaying all the courses you purchased. Take a moment to review this list to ensure you find the correct course that you wish to refund. Next, look through your purchase history for the specific course you want to refund. Once you locate it, you will see several options next to the course title. Click on the option that says Request Refund. This action will prompt a new screen to appear. After clicking Request Refund, you will need to select a reason for the refund from a list provided by Udemy. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. This step is important as it helps Udemy understand the reasons for refunds and improve their services in the future. Once you have selected the reason, confirm your refund request. You will be required to submit the form to complete the process. After submission, Udemy will review your request according to its refund policy. Depending on the circumstances, the refund will be processed if it meets their criteria, which usually takes a few business days. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the refund to reflect in your account may vary based on your payment method. Additionally, ensure that you're aware of Udemy's refund policy to understand any limitations or conditions that may apply to your request.